Good morning, this is Simon Vasantha Ruban, guest lecturer, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Research Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, St.Joseph College, Cuddalore. I'm going to take a topic on Python programming, in that Python strings. So these are the contents we are going to see: introduction to strings, properties of strings, data type, basic string creation, string concatenation, accessing string through index, string slicing, and basic functions and methods in strings. So Python string. A Python string is a data type that stores sequence of characters. String enclosed within either single quotes or double quotes is termed to be as a string in Python. It is an immutable data type, which means once a string is created, it cannot be modified. However, it is possible to create a new string by concatenating two or more strings. So properties of string data type in Python. It is immutable. Since we said earlier, strings in Python are immutable, which means that once a string is created, it cannot be modified. Sequence. Strings in Python are sequence of characters, which means that you can access individual characters in a string using indexing or unslicing. Concatenations. Strings in Python can be concatenated using the plus operator. For example, hello plus world would result in the string hello world. Methods. Python provides a range of built-in methods that can be used to manipulate strings, such as the upper and lower methods to convert strings to uppercase and lowercase respectively. So basic string creation. Here we have to assign a string to an variable str equal to welcome to the Python programming using double quotes. So print str means it will print welcome to the Python programming. String 2 means in a single quotes, or we can use a triple quotes, triple single quotes or triple double quotes. That it will be the output of this program. All will display the welcome to the Python programming. So string concatenation. String concatenation means combining two strings. Hello is a string 1 and world is a string 2. When we concatenate both of them, we will get the result as hello world. Here is a simple program. Name is William, surname is Smith. So print name comma double quotes plus surname. So it will print William comma Smith. So accessing characters in a string. Indexing allows us to access a specific character in a string by its position. Python uses zero-based indexing, so the first character is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. Negative indexing is also supported, where -1 refers to the last character, -2 to the second last, and so forth. So this is William Smith. If you have to print a name of 0 means it will print W. If you print name of -1 means it will print the last character T, and -2 means last character H, and -2 means character T. So string slicing. String slicing is nothing but slicing the string into 2 or 3 things. So this is the positive indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, and negative indexing -1, -2, -3. So this is the string. I want to have 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 means it will consider from 1 to 2. So 1 AC will be provided. I want to string from -3 to -1. So -3 is A, and -1 is -2 is C. Then -1 is will be ignored. So it is this Harry Potter string, and print string from 1 to 5, and print string 5. So it will print Harry, and then Harry. So this is the positive negative indexing. How to access the string with positive indexing and the negative indexing. So some commonly used string functions in Python. Lowercase. Lower converts all uppercase characters in a string to a lowercase characters. Upper converts all lowercase characters in a string to an uppercase character. Title converts string to a title case. Swap case. Swap the cases of all characters in a string. Suppose it is in lowercase, it will swap all the characters into uppercase. Suppose it is in uppercase, it will swap all the characters to the lowercase. Capitalize. Convert the first character of a string to an uppercase. So these are the programs. Print original string comma str. Print string after conversion. String dot upper. Print string dot upper. So original string is Harry Potter in the small characters. String after conversion means it will all be printed in the uppercase characters. So this is Harry Potter is in uppercase character, and while using this lowercase built-in function, it will end in the lowercase characters. This is the title. Harry Potter means converted string becomes Harry Potter. So first letter will be characterized in this capitalized function, built-in function. So Harry Potter means H1 becomes uppercase and all of them will be in the lowercase. So str dot ends with this function return true if this given string is ends with a character enclosed within the brackets. String dot replace old comma new, replace old value to the new one. Str dot find word, return the index of the first letter of your desired word. String dot count substring, converts the occurrence of substrings. So these are the programs for that. So Harry Potter ends with the letter er. So print str that ends with er. The given string is with er. String dot replace. I am going to replace the str string with the series comma drama. Harry Potter series string is present at index series. So you have to see the output. First will be the true. Yeah, the letter ends with the er, so it will be the true. Second, replacing the string. Original string is Harry Potter series. New string is Harry Potter drama. Series changed into drama. And here str that find whether the series is present in this string. Yes, string is present at the index 13. And here string that count how many characters in this Harry Potter. Count. Harry Potter, total number of R in this string. How many R's are present in this character in the string given? So 1, 2, 3 R's are present, so it will print 3. Thank you.